Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Our lesson today will be a revision also. And today we will make a revision about subtraction. Okay? So today we will remember together how I will subtract two numbers with two digits or three digits. Okay? Now let's see the strategy that we used to use it last year. So the strategy told me first you have to order the similar digit under each other, starting with the largest number. This is very important for you, okay? So you have to order the numbers, ones under the ones, tens under the tens, also hundreds, etc. But you have to start with the largest number. Second, subtract the numbers in each digit. So I will subtract the numbers starting with the lowest digit. As we talked in addition, you have to start from the ones digit, okay? And the last thing, you have to find the final answer. So that's the strategy, or this is the strategy that you have to use to find the subtraction. Okay? There is a note. I want you to memorize this or remember this. In subtraction, we don't forget to use borrowing. Okay? You remember borrowing. And now we will see in our examples how I will borrow from another number. Now, example number 1, I want to find the subtraction between 84 and 23. Now, first I have to order the numbers, starting with the largest number or bigger number. That's mean 84. So I will put 84 like this and order 23 ones under the ones and tens under the tens. Then I will start subtracting, okay? I will start from the lowest digit. That's mean I will start from the ones digit. 3 minus 4. How I will subtract those two numbers? I told you that you have to put the smaller number in your mind and count on your finger to the bigger number. So you have to put the smaller number in your mind and count on your finger to reach the bigger number. That's mean I will put 3 in my mind and count on my finger to reach 4. After 3, 4, so I have 1. So the answer equals 1. Now, 8 minus 2. I will put the smaller number in my mind and I will count to reach the bigger number on my fingers. So I put 2 in my mind and count on my fingers. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I reach here 8. So what I have here on my fingers? 6. So the answer is 6. Okay? So the final answer here is 61. I will write the final answer here. Now let's see another exercise. Okay? 64 minus 17. First, you have to order the numbers under each other like this, and then you have to start the subtraction. Okay? First, 4 minus 7. This is very important here. I want you to focus here in the ones. Can I take here 7 from 4? Can I take 7? Put 4 on your fingers. Can I take 7 from 4? No, I can't, because 7 here bigger than 4. So what I have to do here, I have to borrow, right? I have to borrow. I have to borrow here from the number next to the 4 or beside 4. So I will borrow from the 6 here in the tens digit, okay? How many I have to borrow here? How many numbers? Just one. I need just one. So I will borrow 1 from this 6. It will be what? It will be 5. And I will take this 1. I will take it and put it here next to the 4. So it will be 14. Okay? Now, can I take 7 from 14? Yes, of course. 14 bigger than 7. So I can take it. Put 7 in your mind and count to reach 14. Count to 14. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So stop. What do you have here in your mind, on your fingers? Okay, 7. I have 7. So the answer is 7. Now, 5 minus 1. Put 1 on your mind, in your mind, and count to 5. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 4. So the answer is 4. Now, the final answer here is 47. So I will write it here. Okay? Now, number 3. Number 3. 709 minus 253. So I will put the numbers, order the numbers like this, and find the subtraction. Start with the ones digit, the lowest digit. 9 minus 3. Put 3 in my mind and count to 9. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is the answer? The answer is 6. So I put 6 here. Now, what about this? 0 minus 5. Can I take 5 from 0? No, I can't. So what I have to do here? Yes, I have to borrow. I will borrow from the number here beside 0. I will take just 1 from this 7. It will be 6. And I will take this 1 and put it here next to the 0. So it will be 10. It will be 10. Now, 10 minus 5. Put 5 in your mind and count to 10. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the answer here is 5. Okay? Now 6 minus 2, also put 2 in your mind and count to 6. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 4 on my fingers. So the answer here is 456. So I put the answer or the final answer. This is how you used to do subtraction. Okay? Now let's remember something else here. Find the missing factor. You remember this question, how you have to find the missing factor. Let's start with number 1. Okay, here I want to find the missing factor. 4 multiply a missing number equals 24. Here I want to find the number that if I multiply it by 4, the answer will be 24. So what is the number here? What is the number? Yes, it's 6. So if I multiply 4 by 6, so the answer here is 6. The number will be 24. So you have here to find the missing factor. Number 2, let's see. 6 multiply a number, the answer will be 48. What is the number that if I multiply it by 6, the answer will be 48? Timetables, okay? Timetables. What is the number that if I multiply it by 6, the answer will be 48? The number is 8. That's right. So here 8. Let's see number 3. Number 3. Okay. A missing number multiply 9 equals 63. So what is the number that if I multiply it by 9, the answer will be 63? Think about it, timetables. Okay, I think timetable of number 7. Yes, it's 7. I'm sorry. I will erase this and write it again. It will be 7. 7 multiply 9, the answer will be 63. Now, 5 multiply a number equals 40. I think this is very easy for you. Which number, if I multiply it by 5, the answer will be 40? Hmm? It will be 8. That's right. So I think this is timetables. You have to save it very well because timetables very important for you this year. I don't want you to find difficulties with timetables. Okay, so this is your homework. Okay, I will show you. This is your homework. I want you here. Okay, I will erase those numbers. This is your homework. I will leave the PowerPoint file in the lesson. You can see the video, then you can download the PowerPoint file and you will find the homework sheet in the last slide. I want you to solve the subtraction and find the missing factor, okay? So this is our lesson today. Thank you for listening and goodbye.